Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Lenovo laptop volume. First, click the Start button and search for Sound Settings, then open it. Under Output, make sure the correct speaker is selected. Click the arrow next to your selected device, then scroll down to Audio Enhancements and set it to Off. You can also try changing the format option and clicking Test to check if the sound is working. If you still don't hear anything, go back and scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Find your speaker in the playback section. If it's disabled, right-click it and select Enable. Then select the speaker and click Set Default. Next, click Properties, go to the Advanced tab, and select Restore Defaults. Click Apply, and then OK. If the problem is still there, search for Services and open it. Find Windows Audio, right-click it, and select Restart. Then find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, and restart that service as well. Finally, if none of these methods work, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click your speaker device, and select Uninstall Device. Then expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and uninstall the audio device listed there. After that, simply restart your Lenovo laptop. Windows should automatically reinstall the necessary audio drivers. And that's it. Your Lenovo laptop sound should now be working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lenovo laptop tips and fixes.